Hi, I'm Jarrod Dahl, Woodturner at Woodspirit Handcraft, and I developed this tool called the Bowl Turner's Depth Gauge, and I'm going to demonstrate how it is used. So after you have a roughed turned bowl, outside is complete, inside is nearly complete, and you're working toward the bottom, trying to get the perfect depth. You stop at this point, and I'm going to fire up the lathe and put a little divot in the center of the bowl for the cutter of the marking gauge to set in. So I'm going to fire it up, and just a little dimple. Okay. Now I'm going to look across put the marking gauge against the rim of the bowl, loosen the thumb screw, and slide the drill rod down. I'm going to move my head. I need to move my head to look down the base of the bowl, slide my head to the right a little bit, and then align the drill rod to the depth I want. Tighten up the thumb screw, and then I'm going to proceed to drill a hole. Sometimes you can leave the tool rest in place, depends on where you like your tool rest set. I kind of swing it out of the way. And what I'm going to do is in forward at 400 or so, I'm going to put the tip in that dimple, add some pressure to my right hand, and go ahead and push until the arms of the depth gauge hit the rim. Now, the body of the depth gauge is aluminum, so it won't stain or oxidize any of the tricky woods that happens. Now I have a hole to turn to. I know my depth. And I'll just show you the final cuts here. Back up to speed. So what I like to do is work down toward the center, exposing the depth. You can just see it. I'm going to shut off the lathe. It's just a little fuzz there now. So now I know where my depth is. And as you get used to this, you can adjust it to where you like. I leave mine a little bit shallower so that I have a few more passes to clean up the bowl. And then looks like I gotta go just a touch deeper. One last pass. And there you have it. So, so if you buy one of these, now you have a little video that shows you how it works.